Hey honeys, this is Ams and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am back again with a sponsored video by Luvme Hair, and this is the unit. It is 20 inches, 180% density. It's a 13 by 4 lace frontal and it's HD lace. So as you can see, I do not have it. I haven't cut it yet nor glued it. I just took out the box and put it on. And here is what the hairline looks like. So it is pre-plucked, and I will be plucking some more. But you see this, the lace looks good against my skin. I probably just use a little bit of Fit Me powder in the parts, but that's about it. So let's get to styling. As I said earlier, this wig has already been pre-plucked at the hairline, but I like to pluck a little bit more for that natural look to thin the edges out even more. So I usually divide out 4 sections, and as you can see, I never pluck the very front of the hairline. I always make sure to pluck behind that part of the hairline. So I never want to pluck the front because I don't want any balding spots. So I just pluck sporadically, and I just try to make sure I don't pluck too much in one space, yet again to avoid balding. This is like the longest process when it comes to styling your wig, but I think it's necessary if you want to achieve that look, especially since this is a straight hair unit. I wanted it to look natural because I will not be doing any baby hairs. Alright, so I finished plucking the right side, and there is a difference, as you can see. So yeah, I went ahead and plucked the left and the very top off camera, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looked like. Here's the left, and here is the front. I'm using the Care liquid sheen, and I just spray just a little bit on each section before I flat iron. I want to make sure that this hair is very straight, and I feel like when I add this liquid sheen, it also helps with a little bit of frizz. I love that this hair is silky and it had a natural sheen to it already. I just wanted to add a little bit more of a sheen to it. But also, I wanted to let you guys know, which I didn't earlier, the hair didn't have any kind of bad smell or anything. It smelled fine to me. So I was really happy about that. As I said earlier, I'm not going to have any baby hair on this unit, but I am going to just brush back one side behind my ear, so I'm going to do a side part. So I really like the way that this hair flat irons. It was just so pretty, as you can see. I really like this unit. So I just marked the part for the moment because I have to use pomade to actually make a new part and get rid of the middle part. So I did notice some shorter hairs throughout the wig, especially right there at the very front where I have the side part, but that's nothing that I couldn't fix because I could just use some hairspray to lay them down. I have 12 braids to the back, and I already have my wig cap on, and so now I'm just placing the wig exactly where I want it to be. I'm not going to use the band on this wig. Instead, I'm going to glue it down. My favorite product to use is the Bed Head hairspray, and it has been working very well for me. I just add one layer first, and then I blow dry, and then I add a second layer after that, and then I lay it down. So now I'm cutting the lace, and I like to section it off in 4 sections. So lately I've just been cutting off the ear tabs or the sideburns, and that has been very convenient for me. And then I proceed to cut all of the lace off from there. So every time I pull at the lace, of course, it kind of lifts a little bit. So only thing I do for that is go back with a little bit of glue. And as you can also see, I have a little bit of, I say crust, and it ends up being a mix between makeup and glue. And I just take a little dab of oil. I had grapeseed oil, and not too much because you don't want your lace to lift. And you just kind of dab it on the parts where you see any of that excess glue on your lace or forehead. Now I'm actually making my part, and as you can see, there is a distinction between where my wig cap is and my forehead, so I'm going to use the Fit Me powder to cover that. I'm using the Edge Booster pomade stick, and this is going to help me define my part and also lay my hair. I've actually been enjoying using my Time-O straightening brush way better than using my hot comb. Like, sometimes I'm nervous that the hot comb is going to melt my lace, and it's never happened, but it feels like it sometimes. But the Time-O, I can actually, control the temperature better. I had noticed that I still had a little bit of makeup right there in my edges, so what I did off camera is just get a makeup wipe and wipe that off. I use Aussie Freeze hairspray, and this keeps my hair in place. And also, this helps with those shorter hairs. I just spray some of that on there and it lays them down. I don't even have to worry about any of my hair sticking up and doing the most. Like, this lays it down. Now I'm just using my Fit Me powder in my part, and this helped conceal where that wig cap is showing. This hair is just so pretty. I love it. And also, when I wear straight hair, I just love putting a little bump at the end. You can't tell me this ain't my hair, okay? You can't tell me. I'm kidding, but this looks so natural. I just want to show you guys the back. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. And if you purchased this unit, definitely let me know in the comments and let me know what you think.